Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to brighten your photos with Phosus. So, let's begin. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Phosus.com. If you are new to the world of Phosus, don't worry. I recommend watching my detailed video guide titled Getting Started with Phosus. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up your account seamlessly. However, if you are already familiar with the platform, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Since I'm already logged in, let's jump right into action. Find and click on the dashboard button conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. Take a moment to explore your dashboard. It's a creative hub filled with a wide array of powerful tools designed to elevate your image editing experience. To begin brightening your photos, navigate to the left sidebar and select Tools. Alternatively, if you prefer a more relaxed scroll, continue downward until you come across the feature we are eager to use, Low Light Enhancement. With a click on Low Light Enhancement, you will step into the realm of image enhancement. It's time to choose the photo you want to brighten. You have two convenient options here. You can either upload your image with a simple click or streamline the process further by effortlessly dragging and dropping your chosen image into the designated area. Once you have selected your image, Phosus takes the reins, beginning the brightening process automatically. Now, let's discuss an essential factor: patience. The speed of this process depends on your internet connection. For those fortunate enough to have high-speed internet, the transformation will occur in the blink of an eye. However, if your internet connection is on the lower side, don't worry. The exceptional results you will achieve are well worth a brief wait. And there you have it. Your image has been beautifully brightened. Take a moment to admire your photo. Now, clean and ready for whatever creative purpose you have in mind. But wait, there's one final step. Downloading your enhanced masterpiece. A simple click on the download button will prompt Phosus to efficiently save your brightened image to your device. It's essential to remember that each download consumes some credits, so use them thoughtfully. Enjoy your beautifully edited images and embrace the newfound freedom of creativity that Phosus offers. That's it. You have successfully learned how to brighten your photos with Phosus. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional graphic designer, or someone who simply enjoys enhancing images, Phosus is a versatile tool that can take your creations to the next level. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips, and keep exploring the boundless possibilities of image editing with Phosus. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Brighten up your world with Phosus and let your creativity shine. And until next time.